Hello everyone, today's topic is Salesforce Lightning Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about Salesforce Lightning Training Roadmap. About course. Eligibility criteria. Salaries, roles and responsibilities. Training program. Now we are discussing about the course. The Salesforce Lightning course is designed to help individuals gain the knowledge and skills needed to efficiently use and develop within Salesforce Lightning Experience, the modern interface and framework for Salesforce applications. It covers key aspects of Lightning, including Lightning App Builder, Lightning Components, process automation, and data management. Participants will explore ways to customize Salesforce Lightning to match business requirements, enhancing user experience and streamlining operations. Through hands-on exercises, real-world scenarios, and best practices, trainees will gain expertise in configuring Lightning pages, managing UI enhancements, building reusable Lightning web components, and automating business processes. The course also delves into workflow automation using tools like Flow, Process Builder, and approval processes, empowering administrators and developers to optimize business processes with minimal coding. Whether you are a Salesforce administrator, developer, or IT professional looking to transition from Salesforce Classic or enhance your Lightning expertise, this course provides a strong foundation in Salesforce Lightning development and customization. Participants will also be well prepared to take certifications such as Salesforce Certified JavaScript Developer. Organizations gain value from individuals who can fully leverage Salesforce Lightning, enhancing user adoption, customization options, and overall system performance. As Salesforce continues to be widely used across industries, developing expertise in Lightning creates opportunities for roles such as Salesforce Lightning Developer, Salesforce Administrator, and CRM Consultant. This comprehensive learning experience is ideal for anyone looking to grow within the Salesforce ecosystem and stay updated with the platform's latest advancements. Now, we will learn about the eligibility criteria for Salesforce Lightning Training. Salesforce Administrators. Professionals responsible for configuring and managing Salesforce applications. Salesforce Developers. Individuals with experience in Apex, Visualforce, or JavaScript looking to learn Lightning Web Components and the Aura framework. IT. Professionals and consultants. Those involved in CRM implementation, customization, or integration projects. Business Analysts. Professionals who analyze and optimize business processes using Salesforce Lightning tools. Sales and marketing professionals. Individuals who use Salesforce for managing customer relationships and want to enhance their productivity with Lightning features. Beginners in Salesforce. Those looking to start a career in Salesforce development or administration, preferably with some prior knowledge of Salesforce Classic or basic programming concepts. Next, we learn about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Salesforce Lightning Training. Salesforce Lightning Administrator manages and configures Salesforce Lightning Experience, optimizing business processes, user interface, and security settings. Typically earns between $85,000 to $120,000 per year in the US Salesforce Lightning developer. Builds and customizes Lightning applications using Lightning Web Components, LWC, Aura Components, and Apex. Salaries for Salesforce Lightning developers in the US range from $110,000 to $155,000 annually. Salesforce Lightning Consultant works with clients to implement Lightning Experience, enhance UI/UX, and improve system performance. With expertise in Lightning migration and customization, consultants earn between $100,000 to $145,000 per year. Salesforce UI/UX Specialist focuses on improving the user experience and interface within Salesforce Lightning, ensuring seamless navigation and efficiency. The average salary is approximately $95,000 to $135,000 per year in the US CRM Solution Architect, Lightning. Designs and implements scalable Salesforce Lightning solutions, integrating custom components, automation tools, and third-party applications. Experienced professionals in this role can earn between $120,000 to $160,000 annually. The last topic is the training program. The GoLogica provides Salesforce Lightning Training, which is designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and hands-on experience in utilizing and customizing Salesforce Lightning Experience, the advanced interface of the world's leading customer relationship management platform. This course equips participants with the skills needed to efficiently work with Lightning App Builder, Lightning Web Components, LWC, Aura Components, UI customization, and process automation. Throughout the training, learners will explore key topics such as Lightning pages, components, data management, security settings, and automation tools like Flow, Process Builder, and approval processes. Additionally, participants will gain expertise in configuring user interfaces, managing role hierarchies, profiles, and permission sets, ensuring optimal system performance and enhanced user experience. The course also covers best practices for migrating from Salesforce Classic to Lightning, improving user adoption, and leveraging Lightning's advanced capabilities for business growth. This training is ideal for Salesforce administrators, developers, business analysts, IT professionals, and aspiring Lightning specialists who want to advance their careers in the Salesforce ecosystem. With expert guidance and hands-on exercises, learners will develop the confidence to build, customize, and optimize Salesforce Lightning applications effectively. Upon completion, participants will be well prepared to take certifications enhancing their credentials and job prospects. Graduates can pursue roles such as Salesforce Lightning Developer, Salesforce Administrator, CRM Consultant, and UI/UX Specialist in various industries. Additionally, the course provides career support, including resume building assistance and interview preparation, helping learners secure high-demand job opportunities. With Salesforce Lightning being the future of CRM solutions, mastering its features ensures a competitive edge in the evolving job market.